Isend daw yung ano. Saan? Yung address.
When I get prep, this is something. Look like. Why does this look like an apple? Can you eat me? I'm apple. It just accidentally bite my lips.